Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, I will be working with Irresistible Me, you guys. They are not new to my channel. You already know that I have worked with them in the past and I love the company. So right now I'm just showing you guys everything that comes along with my unit. They did send over 2 HD caps for me to wear for this unit, so I do have one on my head as of right now. So let's just get into the wig. This wig is a 12-inch natural black 13x4 unit, and it does come along with baby hairs. So with this lace being ash white, I did go in with some of my powder to make it blend a little bit more seamlessly, you guys. And the lace is HD as well, and it does come along with 4 clips and adjustable straps as well. And I must say, when I first took this unit out of packaging, I was excited to see how soft this unit was and to make sure that I did not get any shedding and or tangling, you guys, and I did not get none of that. And this hair was super soft, you guys. Alright, you guys, so jumping right into the styling of today's wig, I wanted to do a side part, but I went ahead and did a middle part, you guys, because I feel like I'm always gravitating towards a side part. So I actually did a middle part, you guys, this time, and I actually really like it.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
So now I'm just going in with my handy dandy wax stick. You guys already know that I love this wax stick, and I'm just going in with this so I can get my middle part to lay as flat as possible. And then I will be going in with my hot comb as well. So with this unit, I decided not to use the baby hairs that came along with the wig. I also did not put out any sideburns as well, because I normally do that like with every install, and I wanted to do something different, you guys. And I'm so glad I didn't put out baby hairs or sideburns, because I actually like the look a little bit more better. It made it look a little bit more natural, if you will. But anywho, you have the option to utilize the baby hairs as well, but I just decided not to. So I did end up going in with 2 layers of my Ghost Bond glue. Alright, you guys, so once I laid this wig down on my head on top of this glue, I realized that I had to actually go in and customize this to my head, because it was a little bigger than what I expected. So I did go in and cut off my ear tabs on both sides of this unit, and when I tell you guys, it fit like a glove, and I'm so glad that I actually customized it. You guys, so this right here is the finishing look of today's hair. I told you guys that I did not do anything to this wig. I did not go in with a flare on. I just went in with my hot comb to make sure that my middle part was just flat and seamless, you guys. and I did go in with my wax stick as well. But as far as putting product on this hair, I did not, and I am so happy, y'all. It's super flowy and light, and I love it.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. When I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around.
Okay, you guys, so this right here is a bonus clip of today's video. So you guys, I decided to go in and give you guys a second look of how this bob will look curled, you guys, and I am so glad I did. I absolutely love it straight, and I love it curled, you guys. So comment below and let me know which look was your favorite. I think I like them both, you guys. I'm in love with both looks. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out Irresistible Me, you guys. I will have all the information in my description box below, so that way you guys can be sure to check them out. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. And if you are new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you guys share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys, sharing is caring. And I'll see y'all in my next video.